Hello everyone, this is Asim again. Thought to make this video today for the benefit of my friends who trade in Sydney ASX. So this is a very nice pattern that I saw forming on daily charts of ASX 200. So I'm on investing.com, and if you see, I have put in the symbol for AXJO for ASX 200, and this is a daily chart. If you look at in the last few days after the big fall, we see that a lot of market action happening wherein market kind of corona crisis drove this market down from the all-time high of 7200 to 4420, and now we are basically in the last few weeks or so we are trading between 6200 and 5730 kind of a zone. So these 500 point range we've been since starting of June. So if you look at it, this I've drawn two lines, and these two lines are basically joining the tops of this and the bottoms of these all candles. So in technical analysis, we have certain things called continuation patterns and the reversal patterns. So here what I see is one of the continuation patterns happening, which is called symmetrical triangle. If you see, this is a formation that's getting formed here is of a triangle which is in a symmetrical kind of a nature. So this is called a symmetrical triangle, and it's considered to be a good continuation pattern. So this can really assure us a bit of that market is looking for uptrend if it is able to break that. Let me just move these drawings out of here. Don't know why. So let me get rid of these. Something is probably not working right. Anyways, so we'll let this go. It doesn't matter. Alright, so if you see these horizontal lines, sorry, not horizontal, the diagonal lines basically are making a formation of a triangle. And this line is showing that this big green bar, which was a very strong rally the other day we saw on 15th of July, wherein the markets shot up from 5940 to 6050 kind of a range, and then the very next 2 days it's been taking pause. And if you see this green candle here of 17 July, it's basically an inside bar, right? So it in itself shows that's a big bull thrust, and then 2 days of consolidation. And if you look at it, this green bar has broken out this triangle, and then these two bars are still able to stay above that diagonal line, declining line. So this still shows that it is expected to go up as compared to going down. So now the question is, if this is forming, so let me just move on to the hourly chart so that it is a little easier for us to look at it. So I'm just, yeah. So if you see this, so this is basically because that was excluding VIX, hence we have some of these lines getting overlapped on these. But on the other side, let me just correct that so that we have a bit of clarity here. So however, on the hourly chart, it still looks like that yes, if we break this level up on 6050, which is just kind of 20 points away, and then it should go up. Now the point is, or the question is, how do we trade this, and do we have any kind of targets basis this chart pattern, or it, how do we trade it basically. So if you look at it, how do we calculate the targets from symmetrical triangle is basically we see this is a kind of breakout line wherever we break. So, and this is basically the first time when it touched the last, the lower uptrending diagonal line. So which is around 5930, and here this is 6050, maybe round it up. So about 120 points, and if it breaks, let's say tomorrow if it breaks here, so it's about 6050, let's round it up, and then 120 points from there, so it makes a target of 6170 to start with, and this is kind of, it will take us to this range of this last resistance area. And this resistance area happens to have another importance as well, because we have our Fibonacci 61.8% retracement levels in the range of 6150 to 6200 zone. So that's another aspect that we need to look at. However, if market is able to sustain and cross this zone, then market can easily reach to 6400 levels, because the next target is going to be these 405 and the points, which is your next level from here to here. So 300 points from here, or maybe let's say 5700 to 6150, so about 450 points from here, and this is 450 points if you add up, so 6400 6500 range. That's a kind of target we can see in next couple of weeks maybe, right? So this is a very important and very strong chart pattern being looked at by majority of the technical analysts across the globe. So I had thought, okay, maybe some friends who want to utilize this for planning their trades for the coming weeks, so this might be useful for them. Alright, so this is for the day. If anyone likes this content, so just leave us a feedback, so that'll be great. And happy investing. See you later. Bye.